Go.
Hi, we're here to take you to, where are we going to, little one?
I do not remember.
Bluebell Railway. We'll see you on there. Bye.
Bye-bye.
With us before?
Probably not about that high.
The week before last.
This must be quite exciting for you, little one. Is it? You get to go on a train? And a steam train. I have a super talkative doggy.
They got little armrests here. Sign.
You wave, Katherine. Katherine, you're going to wave.
Bye-bye, Chimney. How can you hear it, Chimney? Bye-bye, guys. We go on the train ride. And waving to one of That does not sound good.
This is how old trains sounded. What was the verdict on that? What does red and blue mean on the signals?
I've got no idea.
If you can't see them, I don't think you can, but there are deer in that field. Almost like little impalas waving their butts there. There we go, there's more smoke.
No one fall down there.
You see all the smoke?
How did he throw it up?
Oh, it was all seeping down. And there's all the smoke. Oh, there's a deer there.
I can let it go.
They're out for the day.
Old pukey dog. We love the pukey dog.
We hate the Yuki dog.
And there's the other one. Admire the vineyard. And let me introduce someone who's got a new nickname. His new nickname is... This is Pukey Tub Tubs. I can almost see the hate.
How many trees are there?
They're great.
They're grapevines.
Ooh, I thought they were thick.
So they can make their own wine out. You can see them tasting out on the decking. Chippies.
Dogs.
Now that's dogs.
They're quite long.
Yes, and because of the A-frame.
It would be the world's tiniest horse to jump over there.
Could be a Shetland.
anyway, then. You were asleep.
You're still good.
If it's another clear night tonight, then it does go back out again. Don't care if it's wobbly and pointing at stuff.
Why you go back and try and go back?
Not at the end stop yet. Anyway. It looks like that's in storage. Yes.
Katherine, have you enjoyed your train ride? Your first ever ride on a train?
First ever ride on a train is on a steam one.
Most speeds, you cover 20 miles in about 20 minutes. Ish.
Yeah, if you're doing 60 miles per hour, mile a minute.
Fine. So far we've been going for 40 minutes.
40.
40. To do 22 miles. Katherine, you can see the speed of a steam train compared to what we have in modern technology isn't very good, is it? But it's still beautiful.
So we're going to go backwards.
You're going to go backwards, yes?
Someone's starting to get
Are you
tired.
recording me?
No.
Someone's starting to get
I thought you were supposed to be going for a snooze.
and someone's grumpy.
Platform one.
I wonder what they're doing.
Just hold it, Katherine. Just hold it, Katherine.
Oh, pretty roses.
Wait. Wait a minute. Oh, I didn't notice at all.
Sheepies!
And that pitch black.
We're just snotty.
It's not from the sea.
It is combined.
We're due to leave shortly.
Keynes. Keynes? Keys.
I'm sitting up to the window.
No, you can just stay there.
Keynes.
Keynes.
Keynes. Of course.
Same as Milton. Spelled the same as
Yeah.
Milton Keynes. And when we get off the train, Mummy will be going first with the dogs. And you can go in the middle.
Why can't I go there?
Okay?
Why can't I go there?
Because in case you trip or fall or get stuck.
Almost.
Oh look, big up there, it's like picking, but they're not. We are here.
Wait. Katherine. There we go.
How was that ride, little one?
Good.
Did you enjoy it? First ever train ride. We'll see you next time on the video. Bye for now.